Okay, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're going to make out how to set up a DHCP, which stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Basically a DHCP is just a network protocol that enables a server to automatically assign an IP address to a computer. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just going to go to Server Manager here. Okay, after we're going to go to roles, add roles, going to click next here, and you'll see DHCP server. Select that, click next. As you can see, it detected our IP address 192.168.1.1. Okay, and the parent name is detected too, and as you can see, our IP address it usually before DNS, which is our IP address of the server, which is 192.168.1.1. Okay, if you click validate, you see valid. I'm just gonna click next here. Okay, let's forget about this and click next. Okay, now we're gonna add a DHCP scope. Let's click add here. Okay, the scope name I will put first scope. For the starting IP, I'll put 192.1.1. This is the first IP address that will be leased by DHCP server, and the ending IP address will be the last IP address that will be leased by the server, by DHCP server. Okay, for the ending IP address, I'll use 192.1.20. Okay, subnet mask gonna be 255.255.255.0. Okay, for the fourth gateway, we're just gonna put the IP address of the server. Okay, now we're gonna do the subnet type, and how this is basically how long I want to list the IP for. I'll list duration for 6 days. Okay, that should be good enough. Make sure activate this scope is ticked. Just click OK here afterwards. Shucks, my bad. Yes, just click OK here. As you can see, it's there. Then after, I'm gonna click next here. Gonna disable DHCP v6. Okay, next. Okay, now we're gonna need to authorize the DHCP server in the EDDS. I'm basically just gonna log in with administrator. Okay, then after, I'm gonna click next here. Okay, then after, we're just gonna click install. Okay guys, so our DHCP server was successfully installed. Just click close here. Okay guys, now we're gonna go on our Windows 7 machine here. Just gonna log in. Okay guys, we have logged in. Now we're gonna make this computer accept IP addresses. Okay, as you remember from one of my previous videos, how we set this computer to static IP. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna right click below here. I'm gonna open Network and Sharing Center. Okay, then after, I'm gonna go to change adapter settings. Okay, just gonna right click here, go to properties. Okay, just log in. Okay, I got the IPv4. Go to properties. After, I'm gonna click obtain IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. Let's click OK here. Okay, let's click close here. What's gonna happen now is the client computer is just gonna send a broadcast request looking for a DHCP server to answer. Then after that, the server will then temporarily reserve that IP, reserve the IP address for the client, and send back to the client an offer, right? Offer packet with that address information. And the client sends a request packet letting the server know that it intends to use the address. Then after, the server finally sends back a packet confirming that the client has been given a lease on the address for a specific period of time. Okay guys, so if you go to routes here and you go to DHCP server, Okay, so that's it. Okay, then refresh properly. Just close this off with maximum manager. Okay, if you go to roles, if you go to DHCP server here, if you go towards the name of the computer, IPv4, scope, full scope, and okay, the address leases. After you see 192.168.1.10, which is the Windows 7 PC here. Okay. If you go to the DNS server here, DNS computer, and you forward lookup .com. You also see it here as 192.168.1.1.10. Okay, if you go to the reverse lookup, you should, okay, it did not show up here. That's no problem. Just go back towards the let's go back towards here. So right click, go to properties. After you just want to update the associated PTR records, apply. Okay, now I just want to go on reverse lookup. Okay, just click F5 here. As you can see, it came up. Windows 7 PC 192.168.1.12. Okay, well, this is it for this. Okay guys, well, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something, hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be GPUs. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye bye. By the way guys, this video is courtesy Mr. Andrew Cadogan. Please go check out his channel. I will leave a link on the top right hand corner of the screen. Please go across, subscribe to him, and okay, thanks, bye bye.